Hello all, welcome to the day 62 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions that follow. In a park, four poles are standing at positions A, B, C and D around the fountain such that the wire joining the poles AB, BC, CD and DA touches the fountain at P, Q, R and S respectively as shown in the figure. The fountain area is in the form of circle. The poles are the external points. From each external point, two tangents are drawn to the circle. Question 1. If O is the center of the circular fountain, then find the angle OSA. This is the angle OSA. Angle OSA is formed at the midpoint of two line segments. One is OS and other one is AS. OS is the radius and AS is the tangent. So obviously that angle is 90 degree. OS is the radius and AS is the tangent. OS is perpendicular to AS at the point of contact. Therefore, angle OSA is 90 degree. Question 2. If DR is equal to 7 centimeter and AD is equal to 11 centimeter, then find AP. Tangents from single external point are equal in length. By this property, dr is equal to ds. Dr is given as 7 centimeter, therefore ds is also equal to 7 centimeter. And A is another external point. AS and AP are two tangents from A. So those two are also equal. AS is equal to AD minus DS. AD is 11 centimeter and DS is 7 centimeter, which is 4 centimeter. AS and AP are equal in length, so AP is equal to 4 centimeter. Question number 3. If O is the center of the fountain with angle QCR equal to 60 degree, then find angle QOR. Given QCR is 60 degrees, we have to figure out the angle QOR. Let's consider the quadrilateral OQCR. Angle QCR is 60. This is given in the question. Angle ORC is equal to angle OQC. These two are equal to 90 degree. Reason being, radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. By angle sum property, angle QOR plus angle ORC plus angle OQC plus QCR is equal to 360. QOR is what we have to find out. ORC is 90 and OQC is also 90 plus QCR is given in the question, which is 60. On further calculating, we get QOR is equal to 120 degrees. Question 4. Prove that AD plus BC is equal to AB plus CD. A, B, C, D are external points from which tangents are drawn to the circle. Therefore, you can say AS equal to AP, BQ is equal to BP, CQ is equal to CR, and DS is equal to DR. Adding all these equations, we get AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS on the left hand side and AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. Let's group the line segments accordingly so that we get the expected result. AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ on the left hand side and AP plus BP, it's already in the proper order, plus CR plus DR. AS plus DS gives us AD plus BQ plus CQ gives BC. AP plus BP gives AB. CR plus DR gives CD. So hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.